Welcome to this tutorial on object declarations in Kotlin. Today, we'll explore how to create singletons using the object keyword, which is one of Kotlin's most elegant features for implementing the singleton pattern. A singleton is a design pattern that ensures a class has only one instance throughout your application's lifetime and provides a global access point to it. This means no matter how many times you reference it, you're always working with the same object. In Kotlin, creating a singleton is incredibly simple. Instead of using the class keyword, you use the object keyword followed by a name. Here we have an object called Database Manager with a connect function. That's it. No boilerplate code needed. To use your singleton object, you simply reference it by name followed by a dot and the function or property you want to access. Notice how we call Database Manager .connect multiple times. Each call refers to the exact same instance, maintaining shared state across your entire application. Objects can contain both properties and functions, just like regular classes. Here, app_config holds application configuration with properties like app name and version, along with a printinfo function. These properties are accessible globally wherever you need them. Object declarations come with powerful features built in. They are thread-safe by default, meaning concurrent access is handled automatically. They use lazy initialization, created only when first accessed. They cannot be instantiated manually since there's no constructor. And most importantly, Kotlin guarantees only one instance exists. Let's look at a practical example, a logger object. It maintains a private log count that increments with each log call, demonstrating how state is preserved across all usages. The getLogCount function returns the total number of logs, showing how the single instance maintains shared state. Singletons are perfect for several scenarios. Use them for configuration management and app settings that need to be accessed globally. They're ideal for managing database connections and resource pools. Logging and analytics services benefit from the singleton pattern, and they work great for shared caches and state managers that need consistent data across your application.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.